The folding electric bike has a 48-volt 750-watt high-efficiency motor and a 48-volt 12-ampere-hour battery. With the comfortable gel saddle, it is so comfortable and relaxing to sit. The range is around 30 to 50 miles with one charge and pedaling, and the maximum speed is 45 km per hour. About 3-4 hours for a full charge. The e-bike motor accelerates very quickly and is powerful enough for any city's hills. The electric bicycle also has the rear suspension aluminum alloy hydraulic and hydraulic disc brake.